Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas,
To you.
everyone. I hope everybody is okay. Merry Christmas from my family, from the Bastiani family, and to yours. So guys, we were going to open our gifts. Anyway, we finished our dinner and I didn't take any videos because our dinner is very So I have this wine. Wow! You gonna open it tomorrow? What we have from millionaire.
Oh, he likes to eat.
Thank you.
I don't know how to open it.
Another bolsa. It's nice bolsa.
This is for you.
Oh, Lindor again.
This is for you.
It's another Lindor. Is this for you? I don't
This
like
is
this.
for you.
No, it's Toroni. It's Toroni. I don't like Toroni.
Olive oil. This
Olive-
is for you.
Olive oil. Olive oil, how much is this?
Bordeaux Superior. This is for me.
Another wine mo rin. Oh, questa per me.
Cuvée Franca Charmant Delicieux Brut. This is for me.
Questa qua che non si manca mai, panettone.
Filippi. Ah, ok. Panettone classico con arancia e uvetto.
Yummy.
This is half and half.
Half and half. Ah, okay.
Better. This is more, something more.
Oh, cos'è? Cheese?
Grana Padano.
Oh,
Parmesan.
this is Parmesan cheese. We have a panettone. Panettone means, guys, kung hindi niyo pa alam to ng mga taga-Italy. Ito yung traditional ng mga Italy during Christmas or Pasqua.
This is the bag.
So I have a
Summer.
new bag.
Fridge.
Nice. Fresh bags mo rin?
Sì.
Oh, wow.
Ah, sì, vedete.
Vegetable. Nice one. Okay.
Lindo.
So we open.
This is for you, but I want to be sure you will not die.
So we open the first gift.
Because maybe it's poison. Then
Over.
I need to guarantee you will survive.
So next, we are going to open. But anyway, it's the wine. I know already what next. And also he gave me panettone.
Champagne?
Okay.
Yes.
Metodo classico.
Sì. Metodo champenois.
Bruce.
Loredan Gasparini, metodo classico brutto. Sì, sì.
This is our second gift from my boss.
Believe me, I will drink thinking about you.
Third, this is another panettone from the sister of my husband. She's very nice.
Sure, she's recycling.
Over.
She received some from someone, then she recycled to me.
And 2 wine and 1 champagne. We just drink now.
Oh,
Oh,
però,
you see?
if she sees, she will ask to give back.
So we have this one. Big.
Wow!
1, 2, 3 panettone this time.
My diet is gone. My diet is finished. This is poison, sure, and better try one more.
So the third gift, this is from my friends Jeneline. And from her son, Kevin.
Grazie Kevin.
Grazie, Jen and Kevin. Mega, mega love shout out. Colette.
Wow.
From Puglia.
Sì?
Pero,
Sì,
she
sì.
ordered from Puglia. Guys, olive oil. Thank you, Jen. Very special.
There is also
Another wine.
Pinea Malvasia Bianco Salento. This is, I think, is better to open now for be sure is good.
Oh, you cannot.
Malvasia Bianco is not wine to wait too long to.
Oh, pero.
It's better be now.
Jen, thank you so much. This is nice one.
White paper, nothing to pay. Okay. Sometimes it comes the bill. Finito.
Then, the last gift is the surprise gift to my husband. So guys, I don't know how I'm going to buy because we are always together and we are always busy. So I asked my friend to buy for me from Amazon. He will go into it right now. This is for you, More. It's a prank.
Nothing to drink. Then I don't like.
Because our budget only is 50 euro each. So that's it. We have budget for our gifts. Anyway, my gift is not yet. He didn't buy for me, but anyway, he bought for me before. It's more than that 50 euro.
Gimbal. She's YouTuber and she's buying gift for me. Gimbal.
Gimbal ako, it's already there.
Hey, that is yours. This is for me for take the video to you. You look strange.
¿Por qué?
You give me gimbal.
No, no chicken balloon. Oh, the big boy.
Give back. Cannot open.
Okay. Nothing.
It's not gimbal. Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Passi nuovi. People that ask money every time.
That's why it's a prank. Okay. Stomach in, stomach out. Ti piace, Manuel? Merry Christmas.
She gave me also 20 euro.
But anyway, this is from him. So the funny thing is,
The budget is
I bought a gift for him, but the money is from him.
wallet empty.
No empty, I put 20 euro.
Grazie.
Do you like your gift, Maria?
Yes, I like a lot.
Good. So guys, thank you so much sa mga nagbigay ng gifts sa amin. What's this oil?
Sì, come. Taking mine. With the cracker or something.
No, next time.
I'm drinking oil like wine.
We'll try the wine.
No,
So after the opening the gifts, we're eating our small cake.
yeah, okay. In quantity of about all the hotel.
If you have a professional captain waiter, waitress, then a beautiful setup in the table.
Very good, very
Plastic.
very plastic.
Guys, DIY ko lang siya.
Yeah, matalas.
Well. Parang mixing natin.
Matalas pa ito.
Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.